Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you an order from Beebeecraft. Now, Beebeecraft reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in choosing some free products from their website in turn for sort of reviewing them, and I'll show you the items that I chose. I mean, I'm always happy anytime they reach out to me because I really do love a lot of the products that they have to offer, and there's such a wide range of things. So I tried something different for a change. And the first thing that I've ordered here is a set of these pens. Now, this one's going to be my favorite one. And they give you a good variety of colors. You can see here, the idea with these pens is that you can fill them with your choice of materials, and let's just see how they write. There you go. So they write in black, and you can take the tops off. I'll show you like a whole tutorial because I'm going to show you how I fill these pens and what sort of ideas that I come up to decorate them. I really love these pens that have like a gel and sparkle in them. I've seen them decorated with fun little sprinkles and sequins and all kinds of things. So I'm going to try my hand at decorating some of these pens. And then I think that they would make either a cute gift or a fun little side to a journaling project sort of thing. So that's one set. I was really excited. Such a useful item, and I'm really happy to have that. Now this next thing that I picked is something that I have been having my eye on for a really long time, and I finally decided to go ahead and choose these in my cart. And they are these really neat little elastics. Let's see if I can, sorry, not elastics, but bead chains, so like ball chains. So here is a package of them. And the thing that I like these for is to be able to create a way to hang things off of different projects. So I've got some ideas in mind for how I'm going to use these ball chains. They're just a small little circular pattern that I think will be perfect for attaching a variety of different dangles off of some of my projects. I also ordered some of these beautiful little butterflies. I love charms, and these ones just sparkle and are so pretty. Oh, and it's neat. Oh, I love that. Do you see how they're the same on both? Well, actually, they're not the same on both sides. If you look here, you can see it's actually clear on this side, but the sparkle shows on both sides of that one. This one, for some reason, oh, I thought I saw silver on that side. Must have just been a reflection. Anyway, those are really pretty little beads to dangle off of projects as well. And then last but not least, I love a good bubblegum bead, and these are just the most gorgeous set of pastel colors. The pinks and the purples and the blues are just such soft colors that I really like to work with, and they're great for making tassels or making dangles. I can find some fun projects to make with those as well. So I will leave the links down below for everything that you see here from Beebeecraft, and also a coupon code so that you can have a discount for ordering. This is just the first unboxing video, so watch for more coming with the things that I make with these items. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.